welcome back to The Breakdown. I'm Miguel Quiles. I have a confession to make. A couple of years ago, I made a terrible mistake and neglected backing up my data and images on my main workstation. There was a terrible storm and zap! 3 hard drives containing 15 terabytes worth of data, including every single photo I've taken for more than 10 years, was gone. I sent the hard drives to a data recovery company, and $2,000 later, they were able to recover all of my data and put them back onto new hard drives. After that scare, I wanted to make sure to back up my photos, video, and data every single day. One of my favorite solutions I've started using recently is this 4 terabyte setup from Sony. Let's talk about the specs for a minute. Inside, there's 2 3.5-inch 7200 RPM hard drives, giving you 2 terabytes of storage space each. Inside, you have built-in dampers to protect your hard drives from shock, as well as an external damper that helps to give you military spec shock resistance. Out of the box, it's set up for RAID 0, but it's also compatible with RAID 1 and JBOD, which is how I use it. It's configured for exFAT, so you can use it on a PC or a Mac, and it can be connected via USB 3 or Thunderbolt 2. Using the built-in rubber handle, you could take this hard drive with you wherever you need to go. Now, my workflow with this drive is pretty straightforward. I'm usually shooting tethered in the studio and saving my images onto the SD card that's inside of my camera, as well as my laptop. After my shoot is complete, I connect my hard drive and send over all of the files from that day's session. Once I get home to process my photos and my videos on my main workstation, I transfer all of the files from this hard drive to a network attached storage drive, as well as my local hard drive inside my workstation. Now, it might seem redundant, but each session that I shoot is saved in at least 5 different places. So barring any type of cataclysmic event, I'll be able to preserve all of my data and all of my work for years to come. Now, if you have any questions about this setup, leave it in the comment section below. Also, while you're here, subscribe to Adorama TV, as they have a lot of new content posting up every single day. Thanks again for watching The Breakdown, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.